Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you this tripod, and it comes in a very nice carrying pouch, so you can easily take it with you anywhere. Here's the unit itself. It folds out very nicely, and you extend the tripod down like that, turning it upside down, and you can have it as wide or as narrow as you like, and it tightens up that way, so when you're ready to set it down, you're ready to go. Now the top part, the main post, comes out very easily with these flipping thingies, and that comes out like that, and you can just keep extending it that way. And it's very simple. It's very well designed. Everything about this is high quality, in my opinion. It's has good high-grade metal, and this central pillar here is of very high-grade steel. And as you can see, it has the standard 1/4 inch screw on top that will take a say GoPro camera or other clasps and clamps that you can use to put your cell phone on. So next I'll show you a couple more details about this nifty little tripod. There's a look at it right there. Hang on. Of course, it also comes with the cell phone bracket attachment, and this widens out so it will hold on to your cell phone, and there's the screw that goes in the top of there, so that's pretty self-explanatory. Now, one of the real, you also get this attacher. It has a rotating ball in it. I'll loosen that a little bit, and you can see that this gives you some extra motion advantage. It also has the screw on top to receive brackets and other items. The real secret sauce of this tripod is this highly flexible unit that enables you to position your camera in a variety of different ways, so you can have the camera pointed wherever you want to. Now, this thing is very hard to, it's very stiff and very solid, but that's what you want, because you don't want motion once you have a camera set up on a tripod. You don't want it, you want it to be very firm so there's no shaking when you're making your video. There it has the receptor end here for screwing things in, and here's the out part for another 1/4 inch standard screw attachment. So there's a lot of different things you can do with this tripod. It gives you a lot of different options, and really, for me, whom I make a lot of videos, it really has solved a lot of my problems. For one thing, I really like the idea that you can make this thing as tall or as short as you want it. You could even set this on a tabletop, so if you're trying to video something that's on a tabletop, you can set it up that way. I should also mention that it ships with this Bluetooth remote control device that you can pair with your other various devices, so that you can stop or start your camera or your video device remotely with this nifty little Bluetooth unit. Just some final things. This item will extend up to 71 inches in height, so it gives you a lot of alternatives and a lot of flexibility in what you're wanting to do with your video productions, and I think it's a very great unit. It's very solidly built, very stable, high quality materials. They've pretty much thought of everything. I haven't by far shown you everything, about this, but I think that gives you a very good overview of this tripod, and for the price, this is a fantastic deal. I love it. I couldn't be more happier with the capabilities this unit has provided me in my video making endeavors. So thanks so much for watching my video. Bye.
Hi, my name is Rich Sermonello. I'm a professional photographer and Amazon influencer, and today I'm going to talk to you about the NEEWER TS05 phone, tripod, selfie stick, whatever you want to call it. This is a pretty neat little piece of equipment. So it's pretty thick. I have it holding a iPhone Pro Max right now, so a pretty big iPhone. It's an older model, but it's definitely a giant phone. So the TS05 comes with a Bluetooth remote, which conveniently snaps into one of the legs for storage and transporting, which is really cool. There's a ball head on the top, so you can adjust the angle of this and do a lot of different things with it. You can change, it comes with a phone holder, but you can change it out to a different one if you want to. I'm using the one that was included. It's pretty good. And the phone holder has a threaded hole on the bottom and one on the back, so you can mount it 2 different ways. And I also like about this is that it has a cold shoe up here, which means you can put a light on it. You can put, most likely I would put a receiver for a microphone. And that way I could run a lavalier mic into the iPhone for filming. So that's essentially the main features of it, okay? And then of course, in order, you just spread the legs out. You have to unscrew this little dial here, and then you can straighten out the tripod legs. Really great, and that's it. It's pretty sturdy. And then in order to raise it, you just pull it. Okay, and you want it to go taller, you just got to pull it out more. So it goes pretty tall. I'm about 5'8", so maybe it goes to 5'10"-ish, and then plus you've got the phone bracket on top. So it's pretty good, pretty sturdy. I'm not worried about my phone falling down or anything. I mean, I think this is really neat. Super, super neat. And if you want to put it on a tabletop, you can do that too. You don't have to extend it. So I think this thing is pretty versatile, and I really do like it. So I'm going to give it a high rating, and I hope you find it useful. If you want it, I think you should go for it. Oh, and if you want to lock the legs in place, you just tighten this down, and that's it. So this is it, the TS05. I like it.
So this is the tripod that I had gotten. This is the tripod that I got, and it comes down. You can screw your piece that holds your phone on top of this. This loosens up so that you can move this, and the tripod does pull up. As you can see, the tripod does get very tall, where you can put the base in, the bracket that screws on top to hold your phone, or you can get the rotating camera to put on top of that. That will rotate with you when you do your videos. This is in my showcase. Check it out. Thank you.
I've only used it a handful of times, and when I was going to use it today, it broke. Now that I look at it, those parts don't look all that great.